7 divided by 2. What does Python give you? If you said 3, you are using the wrong division operator. Python has 3 division operators, and most beginners only know one of them. 3 division operations, 3 very different results. Run this before we explain anything. 3.5, 3, and 1. Same numbers, 3 different operators, 3 completely different answers. This is the foundation of Python arithmetic and the part most tutorials rush past. Python has 2 main numeric types. Integers are whole numbers, no decimal point. Floats are numbers with a fractional part. The type of the result depends on the operator you use. The value 10 is an integer. Python stores it without any decimal point using exact integer arithmetic. When you divide 2 integers with a single slash, Python always gives you a float, even if the result is a whole number. We set up 2 whole numbers, 10 and 3, ready to divide. Dividing them with a single slash gives a decimal answer, even though both inputs were whole numbers. Checking the types shows why. Single slash division always produces a float. The single slash always produces a float. The type confirms it. X itself is still an integer. Only the division result becomes a float. This trips beginners up when they want a whole number result. The double slash is floor division. It divides and throws away the decimal part, giving you only the whole number. The percent sign is modulo. It gives you the remainder after division. 7 is the number being divided, the dividend. The double slash is floor division. It performs regular division, then discards everything after the decimal point. 2 is the divisor. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. Floor division discards the 0.5 and returns 3, the largest whole number that fits into the result. 7 divided by 2 gives 3 remainder 1. The modulo operator gives us that remainder. The percent sign is the modulo operator. It does not give you the quotient. It gives you what is left over. 2 goes into 7 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. 7 minus 6 leaves 1. The result is 1. The remainder. Modulo is most commonly used to check whether a number is even or odd. Practical examples of floor division and modulo, including the even number check. 10 floor divided by 3 is 3. 3 3's fit in 10 with 1 left over. 10 modulo 3 is 1, the remainder. 3 times 3 is 9, and 10 minus 9 is 1. 7 modulo 2 is 1, not 0, so this is false. 7 is odd. 8 modulo 2 is 0, and oh, perfectly even. This pattern is the standard way to check for even numbers in Python. 3 and 1 for the division examples, then false for 7, and true for 8. The modulo equals 0 pattern is something you will use constantly. Anytime you need to know if a number is even, divisible by something, or repeating on a cycle. The double asterisk is the exponent operator. 2 to the power of 3, 10 squared, that sort of thing. Python also follows the standard mathematical order of operations. 2 is the base, the number being multiplied by itself. The double asterisk is the power operator. 2 stars, not the caret symbol used in some other languages. 3 is the exponent. How many times to multiply 2 by itself? 2 times 2 times 2. The result is 8. 2 cubed equals 8. You can use any numbers here. Decimals and negatives work too. Powers and how Python handles order of operations. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. The double asterisk handles any integer exponent. 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. Python handles large integer powers exactly with no rounding. 9 to the power of 0.5 is the square root of 9. 3. Fractional exponents work as roots. Multiplication happens before addition. The result is 14, not 20. Python follows standard math precedents. 8, 1024, 3.0, 14, and 20. Notice the last 2. Same numbers, same operators, but parentheses change the result. Parentheses always win in Python's order of operations. 3 operators that beginners overlook: floor division, modulo, and power. and they come up constantly in real code. Next up is strings, and there is a fact about how Python stores string characters that changes how you think about them entirely.